boo, 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 boo.
Mashallah, 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 mashallah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mashallah.
Okay, first catch of day. Froze by caught it, Shan by releasing it. Very nice catch and release. Nice queen fish. Alright, gone. Yeah, it should be okay. Yeah, diving deep. Very good, Miraz, very good. Reel. King.
Ah, yes, it is coming.
Big sherry.
Ah, yes.
Perfect. Mashallah. Very big.
Yes.
Congratulations. Yeah. Oh, Shanbhai is also. Oh, mashallah. Muhammad, fish on. Mashallah. Very nice. Come on, we have fish on. Shanbhai is fighting a big fish. Looks like a big fish. Muhammad is also fighting a somewhat big fish. Hopefully it's a big sherry. Oh my goodness. Looks like Mashallah. Hamur.
What is?
Allah, sherry. Oh. Mashallah, sherry kabir. Crazy, very big sherry. Very big. Hajam. Mashallah, 5 kilos. 5 kilos sherry. Mashallah. Huge. Oh, Muhammad also has a huge sherry. Crazy. Yeah. Sure. It will come out easily.
Even a good fight.
Wow. Crazy. Sherry, huh? Hamur, mashallah, Hamur. Mashallah. Oh,
Nice,
perfect.
nice.
Perfect. Cuttle. माशाल्लाह क्या बात है तुम्हारी तो ईद हो गई आज
मेरा पिक्चर चाहिए पिक्चर
हाँ
Alright, nice sherry.
Man. Huh?
Which fish this one?
This is one of the beautiful and
In Egypt we call it nagel.
what a beauty. That's wow. Subhanallah. Fatabarakallahu ahsanul khaliqin. Grow up, okay? Be a good fish. Listen to your mama.
She lived. Well done, man.
Hamur on. Wow. Lovely. Small one. Because of the water current, it felt like, very big. Wow. Nice Hamur. Fish on, mashallah. First big catch. looks like big hamur. Oh, very nice. Big hamur, big hamur, big hamur. Easy, 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 easy. Okay, perfect, perfect. Very nice. MashaAllah, Basha.
سيب التراك بقى افتح التراك.
Yes, fish on.
Shit, missed. No, it's on. It's on.
क्या है बहुत भैया ये निकालो कैसे निकालो
Oh, good one. Guys, I'm playing Sabiki. People are asking how to fish Sabiki rigs. This is a 16 number Sabiki rig, just plain as it is. I'm just putting like one small cuttlefish, and then I let it go, sink it to the bottom. Alright, once it hits the bottom, close the bail and slowly just do slow jigging. That's it. If you have one fish, just keep it down like that itself. You will catch more fish. This is the idea with Jesh. Sabiki. That's how Sabiki works. It'll attract more fishes. But I'm catching only one fish at a time now. Okay. Oh, big Jesh. Good size, देखो. Bismillah. Wow, what a beautiful fish. All right, now I have hat trick. Is one missed. Let's try full. Pull. I need pull. Already. As soon as you put, I am getting. All right. I need full. Okay. More. Yes. Now that's like a full tree. Mashallah. That's very nice. हाँ भाई. हाँ? White वाला है ना? Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4. Prashant bhai.
Help me out. मेरे को चाहिए.
ओ बड़ा साइज का है.
I need white.
बू.
माशाअल्लाह.
1, 2, 3, 4.
माशाअल्लाह. One escaped?
Yeah, one escaped. जी भाई,
White, please.
मेरा उसके अंदर बैग के अंदर है, देखो. So प्रशांत भाई देखो इसका साइज देखो, इसका साइज देखो.